This quick video will help you maximize your real estate experience.
So I've never sold before. How do I start? Okay, sellers. First-time home sellers in particular. It's a hot market out there and you want to understand how to capitalize on it and really maximize this real estate sale. So whatever your next move is can be the best play ever. Here's where you start. We're going to start with a conversation inside your home. I start every single conversation about a home with a tour. I want to know what attracted you to the property to begin with. That's step one. Step two, before I ever even set foot inside your home, I will have done hours of research about your property. I'm going to know how it sits in the marketplace, who our competition is, everything about the house, and I'll have an idea of value within 10% before we meet. Why is that within 10% really important? When it boils down to it, we have to be able to relate value to the buyer. And a buyer is going to know if your property is overpriced, and the last thing we want to do is underprice your property. The other thing I'm able to pull before we even meet is potentially how long your property is going to be on the market. How long is it going to take before we have a buyer in hand, and from that point to the time we close, how long is it going to take?
Knowledge is power. Maximize your real estate experience by going to johnricerealtor.com, where you can contact me, watch more videos, search all area listings, and as a potential seller, discover your potential sales price.